Hey guys, it's Mo to Fish. I'm back. Hey, another video. We're going to be mowing 3 lawns today. Like I said in the other video, I work full time, so I don't. This is a side hustle. But the reason why we named the company Mo to Fish is because that's what we do. We mow so we can fish. And right now, I'm sitting in traffic trying to get to the property you saw me do in the other video. It was my in-laws property, that big 1.8 acres. We did that in the rain. The reason why we did that is because we have to get these lawns done. And sometimes when we're fighting between rains, we have to just do it. We're in Middle Tennessee, right by Nashville, so there's a lot of rain here. Some summers there's no rain, but right now there's a lot of rain. It looks like it wants to rain right now. But we have an event tomorrow. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yeah. And this is like for the high school's bragging rights. I haven't done it the last 2 seasons because my son was a freshman and then he's a sophomore. So he's a, wait, was that right? Yeah, he's about to be a junior. Maybe it's only been once. I don't know. I think there's been 2. I've got my dates wrong, but I think there's been 2. But long story short is I haven't participated in them, but this year his co-angler is a senior, so he's graduating. And so since I didn't go to state, which was this last weekend because we were mowing, and it was 4 hours away, and I didn't want to drive 4 hours. So anyway, we didn't go to state, but we're gonna do this. And I'm gonna say it was twice. The last 2 times they've done this event, Station Camp, which is my son's high school, has won against the other high schools. And I warned my son, if we go, because I'm there, we may lose. And he was okay with that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm on my way back to that 1.8 acre to pick up the boat. So I'll get some footage of that. Driving up that property. You didn't get to see the house last time. It's there. And all this hill over here on the right. And all this back here. And then there's more back there. Way back there. So yeah, we mow all that. But there's the boat right there. So I got to turn around. There's Eric. That's the neighbor. He mows. You can see my finger. He mows almost a lot of this. But this is that big hill. We weed whacked this hill. But he mowed. Those stripes over there are Eric's. But anyway, here's the boat. I'm gonna take the cover off. It's an old 1985 Hydrosport. All right, I got it. Boat is back there. I don't know if you can see it. Well, I can't zoom in when I face this way, but anyway, the boat's back there. I'll show you more when I get home. All right, guys, I just got back with the boat back to the house. So here it is. It's a Lotus, but it's made by Hydrosport. It's their Lotus edition. It's got the 150 Mariner 2-stroke. It's got this Kevlar infused hull, and you know, the carpet looks good. It's got some seats. I don't know why the seats are like kind of a different color than the carpet, but you know, I'm not the original owner. But yeah. It's only got a 43 pound thrust. We want to get a bigger motor guide. This is just too small for this boat. We got a couple of got a fish finder that goes there, and GPS Lawrence that goes there. I like Humminbird better. This one up front's a Humminbird, but anyway, this trailer came with it. It's a Tracer, but I think it's painted the same as the boat. I got the Tennessee tags on it, but anyway, there it is. Now you've seen it. Does about 49 to 50 miles an hour, wide open with 3 of us fully loaded. We usually have this spot up here filled with, I carry an extra gas jug. We carry like food and stuff like that. I shove some stuff underneath this console. We'd like to get a bigger boat with a second console maybe, so that kind of protects my son from getting super cold and those cold morning starts. But yeah, there it is. You'll see it on the water tomorrow. Yeah, it's the whole setup. Cool. All right, it's 5:32 in the afternoon. There's Noah.
Hi.
We're Mo to fish. Mo 2. See? 2. Mo 2 fish. We're in Noah's truck because you saw earlier I had the boat on my truck. And if you look back there, there's our little trailer. Oh yeah, I can't zoom. But anyway, there's the trailer. We're going, we got 3 to do. We actually have 6. We're gonna do 3 today, 3 tomorrow. All right, catch you at the lawns with him mowing. I just realized I forgot my hat. I normally wear a hat, but I think it starts male, or you can have early male pattern baldness, whatever they call. What do they call it?
Early male pattern baldness.
I don't know, but
doesn't...
I don't have much left. But I do have a haircut. I did get a haircut. But anyway, what did Jimmy Houston say?
Makes you go bald.
I don't think they could hear you.
It makes you go bald.
Makes you go bald. Let's go to the other one first. We'll do Becky second. We're gonna go do another client, and then we're gonna do. We'll come back and do Becky because she's on the way out. All right, catch you on the flippity cones. There's my son's truck. You haven't seen my son's truck. We just put a, not that it's part of the channel or anything. We just put these spacers on, 2.5. So it's leveling kit because these tires were rubbing. So hopefully that'll take care of that. I can do all that. All right, those guys on the side. It's gonna get going. We did take the. I did take. Noah took the guard off, so I'll see how that goes. It'll be my first time without a guard. This lawn stripes really well, because it's taken care of really well. It's more in the back than the front. He tries to blow it away from the mulch, because we don't have that thing, so he's going to blow it away from the mulch. There you go. That's stripe up now. Yeah, it was long. It's long. But yeah. Let me get to it. Noah is blowing off with our little vent shaft. Hey, it works. That's a really powerful mower, blower. Excuse me. But yeah, it's so come out nice. Nice. It's all trimmed up, just blowing off. We'll go in the back and blow off too. We'll blow off that, all that stuff too. Blow it off into the grass. Another one. It is long. It's got a hill. It's got hills. Look at how long it is. Hey, we need to be expected. Look at that. It's so long. It's so long. Watch it when he comes back. Look at that. That's how you keep the grass out of the road. Little trick. You do the same thing when you're going around these mulch beds up here. Point it away, especially if you don't have a guard to close it. All right, well, it's not that late, but we just don't have any light because of the clouds. But anyway, man, this is so long. The camera doesn't do it justice. It's probably, let me look. Let's look here. There's the camera, sorry. Right there's a blade of grass. Almost to my knee. Almost to my knee. But we couldn't get our schedules correct, so with the customer, so that's why I got this way. She was out of town. Finally got it all scheduled, so anyway. Back on track. Let's get her done. I gotta go do my weeding. Literally, that grass is high height. That's how steep this hill is. So I'm just going to be doing some weed trimming here. I like the not having the guard on here. It's been nice. And I like the speed feed. So that was a good tip from Nick from Saving Green. He's got a great channel. He's got a lot better advice than I do. Saving Green. Okay, this one's done. Oops. Walking down, this is pretty steep. It doesn't look that steep, but it is. Edged. It's looking good. I think Nick from Saving Green would be impressed. Oh yeah, that's my son's truck. He deleted the muffler. Well, it's nice and loud now. It looks really dark, but it's not. We had another hour with the light, it's just the clouds out. I'm talking loud, I'm sorry. I'm trying to talk over the mower and I got earbuds in. But this lawn stripes really well too. It's got a huge backyard. Goes way back. We can't even mow that far back, and we have to push the back part. We do the lawn next door. Looks like the guy's moving. He's a weekly, but we're gonna do him tomorrow. Maybe we'll do him tonight. Maybe we'll get 4 in tonight. Although I didn't tell him I was mowing, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I gotta look to see when the last time I mowed him, but because he wants it every 7 days, but he's trying to sell. So anyway, okay, here we go. Really good. Right after you see it dips off, wherever you see it dips off, we have to push it up out. It just goes straight down. So he's like right on the edge like this. And I'm just gonna cut it in here. But yeah, this lawn is beautiful. It's actually green. Losing light, but I use the edger vertically. Like I got this so the trimmer was like vertical like this, right? And I really got in that kind of, it's not a bed redefiner, but I really try to cut those edges in when I see a nice bed like that. And then blowed it off. We just finished. Zoom back out, sorry. Load it off, lock the gate. They have dogs and little kids, so make sure to lock the gate properly. That's it. Can't mow anymore, so we'll do the other client in 2 days because we got fishing tomorrow.